All right. Thank you so much. So the next person is Dr. Chris Ekong. Dr. Chris Ekong has been there as a community member. He is from Nigeria, but he is a distinguished neurosurgeon. And remember that part of our celebration today is telling the story of our participation in the professional and economic life of Saskatchewan. So our distinguished brother, Dr. Chris Ekong, we are honoring him, but he is not in the country right now. He is going to be represented by his wife, Dr. Jane Ekong. All right, thank you so much. The next person